Hi everyone, good morning. Today is December 8th and I have our day 8 unbagging here to show all of you from Jenny's Countdown to Christmas, which is the Missouri Star Quilt Company advent calendar. If you are not familiar, if you're just joining us, we do have days 1 through 7 already posted on our YouTube here. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you'd like to continue seeing this. We have, 17 more bags to go because we have 25 bags up until Christmas Day. So go ahead and stay tuned if you'd like to see that, and let's go ahead and unbag number 8. All right, here we go, number 8. Let's go see what's inside. It's like very oddly shaped, so I'm excited to see what this is. Oh, there's a couple things. Okay. All right, so we have some paper piecing hexies here. All right, some English paper piecing hexies. Okay, we have this. This is definitely for some kind of purse hardware. You can see it has a little clasp here. Let me go ahead and take it out of the bag because the bag is really loud. Okay, here we go. Some kind of like little purse hardware. This little closure here. Oh my goodness. Maybe it's easier when the bag, there we go. I was gonna say maybe it's easier when the bag's actually made. Oh, interesting. I've never actually made a bag like this, so I'm curious to see how that'll go. Okay, and then we have So Light Fusible Interfacing, a 20-inch by 12-inch piece here. Aha! See, I told you those 5-inch charm squares would be for something. So here is a cute little hexy cell phone clutch by Missouri Star. Look how darling that is. I've actually never done English paper piecing, so this should be extremely interesting, but I definitely want to try. Okay, and here's all the items that you need to make this little clutch. It does measure 4 3/4 by 8 1/2. Okay. I'm not sure if this, I can't even talk. I'm not sure if this is available on Missouri Star Quilt Company's website or if any of this stuff is. Obviously a fusible interfacing will be. The hexies, I'm sure they will be. And then that hardware for the purse clutch or the cell phone clutch. I'll go ahead and check all of those items and let you guys know down below in the description if they are available. Like I said, I am not an affiliate, but I like to help you guys out. So yeah, go ahead and check out that description. And today's question of the day is, do you like the beach or the mountains? And this one for me is very difficult. I do have family that have both beach house and also a mountain or lake house. So for me, I love both, but I like both at different times, which is gonna sound really funny, but I like the beach in the fall and winter. So silly. But I like the mountains kind of in like the spring, summer, and fall. I'm not necessarily a mountain girl in the winter. I don't really do any winter sports or anything like that. I do love snow. I live in PA. I grew up with it all my life, except for the last couple years, of course, with crazy weather. But anyway, that would be my answer to beach or mountains. But I'd love to know what you guys think, so definitely let me know down below in the comments, and also let me know what you thought of this unbagging. Bye everybody, have a great day. I will see you tomorrow for day 9.